Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. In this tutorial, we will walk you through the process of changing the cable on your Dyson HD01 vacuum cleaner. Before we begin, ensure you have the following tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a pair of scissors. It's essential to work in a well-lit area to see all parts clearly. Start by unplugging your Dyson HD01 from the electrical outlet. Safety first. Next, using the Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws located at the back of the vacuum near the cable entry point. There are typically 3 screws, so make sure to keep them in a safe place. Once the screws are removed, gently pull out the back panel to expose the internal wiring. Take a moment to observe how the cable is connected. If you need assistance, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation to help you understand the issue. Now, locate the old cable. Carefully cut the cable near the entry point using your scissors, ensuring not to damage any surrounding wires. If you find this process challenging, don't forget we provide pickup and delivery at your home, allowing you to avoid any hassle. Next, take the new cable and thread it through the entry point where the old cable was connected. Make sure it runs through any cable guides or clips that were in place. This step is crucial for maintaining a tidy internal layout. With the new cable in position, it's time to secure it. Use the flathead screwdriver to tighten the connectors. Ensure the connections are firm, but be cautious not to over-tighten, as this could damage the components. After securing the cable, it's a good idea to clean any dust or debris inside the vacuum. Use a soft cloth or a small brush to clean around the motor and other parts. This maintenance step can improve the performance of your Dyson. Once everything is clean, reattach the back panel by aligning it correctly with the vacuum body. Replace the screws you removed earlier, ensuring they are tightened securely. Remember, no calls, no travel, we are here for your convenience. Finally, plug the vacuum back into the outlet and test the new cable by turning on the device. If everything is functioning correctly, congratulations! You've successfully changed the cable. If you run into any issues during this process, we offer a quote before repair to give you peace of mind. And there you have it. A simple, step-by-step guide to changing the cable on your Dyson HD01. With the right tools and a little patience, you can extend the life of your vacuum cleaner and keep your home clean efficiently. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.